Love doesn't compromise itself. There's no bartering. In fact, there's no exchange. There's no packaging of itself. It doesn't become a commodity that we can give and take. I'm talking about the essential nature of love. The movement of love can be perceived as or experienced as an exchange of some kind. But the essence of love has no movement in it, much like awareness. To know yourself as that means that you no longer compromise that pristine, if you like, that purity of love for approval, which is the exchange that is made. And there's no packaging in the expression of it. It's not something that can be bought or sold. It's not something that you can beg for or seduce for, because it's no longer a thing. It doesn't come in any form of packaging, however nice or however lovely or however anything. So to know yourself as that is in fact the basis of all what we might call loving relationships. The basis of true relationship with others and with the world. So it's a radical shift, not only in our understanding of love, but the realization of that as who you are. And to notice at times how love is compromised, how love is bartered, how love is packaged, and how that limits the potency of that. The potency of love itself cannot be contained, it's uncontainable. Now bring that into your life and relationship. Yeah. It's a contemplation or a realization or a revelation that takes place by itself. But there's so many layers of overlay on just that simple word, love, that are really worth examining for their truth or not truth, for their validity, for their value. To discover from not knowing what love really is.